This is a step-by-step guide to making and maintaining a universal credit claim online. If you have a to-do task to complete, you will be contacted by text or email, depending on your preference, to prompt you to log into your account and complete it. An example of this could be that you need to provide a copy of your CV. You will receive a to-do notification from your work coach asking to do this, and you will be able to upload a document or an image, adding any extra comments, and then marking the task as complete. To sign into your account, enter the username and password that you chose when you created the account. You will then be asked to enter 4 of the last digits of your personal security number. If you have not yet received your personal security number, you will be instead asked one of your security questions that you chose when you created the account. Your homepage allows you to report changes of circumstances, view your to-do list and journal, view your statement, insert a note or question, and update your account. If the note is important or you would like to ask a direct question, there is a tick box underneath that you can fill in to alert a member of staff. This note or question will then be given priority. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.